Hi there, viewers! Does your skin look young? Do the hands tell a different story? Lines on your palms are said to mean a lot of things, from being fortunate to having a long life. But when the flip side of your hand develops lines and wrinkles, it only adds years to your actual age. If you love DIY, today's video is going to be all about effective and simple home remedies for wrinkle-free hands. Should milk be used? What about fruit pulp? We're discussing all that and more. Let's begin with a Korean classic, rice paste. Rice water has amazing anti-aging properties. That's why it's a star ingredient in many cosmetics. But you don't need to splurge on these products when you can make an original preservative-free rice paste at home. All you need to do is grind uncooked rice and mix it with rose water. Make sure there are no clumps. You can add a few drops of milk also. Apply the paste to your hands and allow it to dry. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for a month to get wrinkle-free hands. It also works as a brightening paste and helps you to get rid of hyperpigmentation. Pamper your hands with sugar and lemon. This wash-off scrub is the perfect exfoliator. Physical exfoliation is recommended by skin doctors as an anti-aging strategy. To make the scrub, you will require the juice of half a lemon and 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. It might start smelling like lemonade, but resist the urge to eat it. Gently apply it over your hands and massage in a sweeping motion. Rinse off after 10 minutes. If you're a first-time user, remember to be gentle as the sugar particles may prick your delicate skin. Sugar scrubs off the dead cells and lemon juice lightens patchy skin. Remember to use a moisturizing lotion later to lock in the moisture. Next, use aloe vera. Fresh aloe vera has been gaining a lot of traction in recent years. It just works better than the packaged variety. Making an aloe vera hand mask is super simple. All you need to do is scoop fresh aloe vera gel from a leaf and apply it directly to your hands. It works especially well for dry and sensitive skin. Aloe vera can boost cell reproduction, reduce redness, and fight inflammation, all thanks to the polysaccharides in it. It also reduces eczema and skin burns. Malic acid from aloe vera has also been studied to improve skin elasticity. Get baby soft hands with a carrot potato mask. This orange-colored mask is an intensive treatment for tired hands. Boil carrots and potatoes and blend them into a smooth paste. You can add a pinch of turmeric and some water for a smoother consistency. Apply it over your hands for 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Carrots are a great source of vitamin A and help in boosting the collagen production of skin cells. Collagen is a protein that makes your skin tight and prevents wrinkles, giving a youthful appearance. Potato is an excellent anti-aging ingredient that fades away wrinkles and evens out your skin tone. Moving along, use watermelon rind. This is a little weird, but give it a try as it works wonders. Fresh watermelon is one of the best tasting summer delights. Using the rind is a unique way to minimize food waste and go all natural. Watermelon flavored creams and skincare products will have less to offer than fresh watermelon. Pulp the rind and apply the paste to make your skin soft and supple. The rind is hydrating and gives your skin a blast of vitamin A for building collagen. Have you tried using coconut oil? This is an extremely healthy beauty product and has been used for cooking, cleaning, moisturizing, removing makeup, and making your nails and hair healthy. Melt a dab of organic coconut oil onto your fingers and apply it to your hands. The moisturizing property of this oil penetrates the minerals in deeper layers of the skin. This helps to get rid of wrinkles. Using harsh soaps can strip your hands of their natural oil, making them dry and wrinkly. Coconut oil can restore skin health and help your hands look younger. Another firming hand mask is the Tomato-oat Mask. This is super quick and easy. Grind half a cup of oats coarsely and mix them with 1/4 cup of tomato juice. Apply the mixture to your hands and give them a good scrub. Let it rest for 10 minutes and wash off with cold water. Oats help in the exfoliation and tomatoes can give you smooth skin as they're rich in antioxidants. Lycopene from the tomatoes also helps you get rid of wrinkles. Using banana paste can be a game changer. Stepping out in the sun without proper sunscreen, even on your hands, can cause wrinkles. But this is not the only cause of premature aging on your hands. Using hot air dryers instead of napkins can be equally dangerous. The skin on your hands is very porous. This helps the minerals and nutrients absorb into the deepest parts and nourish it. Bananas are a powerhouse of potassium, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, zinc, vitamin B, and C. This can be the complete package for your skin. Just mash an overripe banana and let it sit on your hands for 30 minutes. This will fade wrinkles and make your hands feel feather soft. Want to try another fruit? How about pineapple? We're just making this a total fruity affair. Did you know poor dietary habits could cause wrinkles on your hands? Processed foods that lack real nutrients are the culprit. Eating foods rich in antioxidants can help a lot. Pineapple contains many antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins to enhance your skin health from within. But you should try it as an external application also. Pulp a chunk of pineapple, apply it to your hands, and wait 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with cold water and pat your hands dry. This natural exfoliator can remove dead cells and bacteria stuck on your skin. It's a natural purifier and promotes skin lightening too. Pineapple juice will stimulate your skin to promote more collagen and improve its elasticity in the long run. Do you have olive oil sitting in your pantry? Don't just use it for cooking. Your hands can also benefit from this amazing oil. This has been an age-old remedy for fighting wrinkles. Olive oil is enriched with vitamin E and has a perfect balance of fatty acids beneficial for your skin. It's easily absorbed by your skin and leaves a radiant glow. We bet no moisturizer can come near this powerful hydrator. Studies have shown having enough olive oil in a diet can prevent photoaging. Massage your hands for 5 to 10 minutes with extra virgin olive oil before bedtime. You can use hand gloves to ensure maximum absorption. Remember to get a good night's rest, as sleeping for adequate hours can give you freedom from wrinkles too. Cucumbers take care of your skin in their own way. They are simply the best when it comes to beautiful, glowing skin. Cucumbers help slow the breakdown of elastin, a protein that keeps your skin plump and bouncy. It helps to tighten the skin, promotes hydration, and accelerates collagen production. Make it a point to have it in your diet, as well as in age-defying hand masks. Just juice a cucumber and massage your hands for 5 minutes with the pulp. Rinse it off after 15 minutes to enjoy younger-looking skin. Alternatively, you could also dip a slice in honey and rub it over your hands. Honey alone can also help. If the chemical-laden products are giving you results but also side effects, then you need to stop using them. Try the ultimate all-natural skin enhancer. Its moisturizing properties can keep your skin hydrated, soft, and smooth. Give your hands a spa-like treatment by dabbing honey on them. Rinse off in about 10 minutes with lukewarm water and experience the magic. It is effective from the first use. Another favorite of the skincare community is milk. Your skin deserves only the best. This is one superb ingredient that can make your skin look naturally young. After using any of the exfoliating masks, you can use milk to moisturize. Dunk your hands in a bowl of cold milk. You can also dab cold milk with cotton balls on your hands. It thoroughly conditions your skin and makes up for the loss of moisture. Milk has proteins, essential fatty acids, B vitamins, and antioxidants that are essential for your skin's day-to-day functioning. It also aids your skin's renewal process and stops sagging. Lastly, give glycerin a shot. This is a surefire way to introduce a youthful radiance to your hands. Glycerin has been known to keep skin moisturized and crack-free. It also has a powerful anti-aging ingredient found in soaps. You'll be able to find a bottle of glycerin at your supermarket, in the beauty aisle, or at your local pharmacy. Mix 2 tablespoons of glycerin with 4 tablespoons of rose water and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Refrigerate the mixture. Apply it to your hands and let it dry. Let your skin soak in the goodness of all the ingredients and wash off the mask after 20 minutes. But a word of caution, never use glycerin directly on your skin. It works best when diluted with water or rose water. It's a humectant that moisturizes your skin and should not be left in for more than 30 minutes. Do you want a facelift? Are you scared of surgery? A few foods and drinks can help fix your laugh lines effectively. Want to know more? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple of age-related videos, shall we? Watch 13 best anti-aging foods that everyone should eat, or 14 anti-aging drinks that will give you a youthful appearance. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn how to rejuvenate your skin. Which DIY hand mask is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.